Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Westwood Adventure. Today we are going to be looking at my new scooter. Yeah. This is the new scooter that I just got a couple of days ago. It's from Mad Gear, and it is awesome. It's way better than my old scooter. This deck is so sick. The wheels are so nice. Handlebars are tall. So today we're gonna be trying some tricks on this scooter in the rain, in the sopping wet rain. So hopefully we can land some pretty cool tricks. Before we get started, I want to mention that this is not sponsored. So, yes. So this scooter is the Oregon Team MGO MGO something scooter, and the original cost was $230, but I got on sale for $89, which is crazy. That was insane. So since it's so wet out, I might not be able to land so many good tricks because I don't want to die and not be able to scooter. So we're just gonna be trying some simple tricks, not too hard. Great. Oh no. Well, I just got my feet literally soaked. And now I'll never have dry feet ever again. I am so happy. Now that we're warmed up, more like cooled down actually, unfortunately. I think I'm gonna set up a ramp in the street here and try to get some good clips off that. Okay. Strap this on to my scooter. Oh, I just broke my tripod. Oh, no I didn't. Never mind. Alright. Wow, that is insanely slippery. That is very slippery. Yeah, I don't think that's safe, but try. Ooh. Cool. Ooh, I almost died. Okay. Okay. Oh my word. I am wet. Okay. Ow, that hurt. Ow. I've wiped out too many times. Ow. That hurt. I think I need to go jump in the dryer now. I got these sick gloves from Christmas, and they are perfect for scootering. They're like merino wool, and they are sweet. You should get some, because they're nice. I got them from Cabela's, I think. Actually, yeah, I did. Yeah, they're sweet. They're perfect for scootering, because if you like crash, and scrape your hands on the concrete. It like saves you to some extent, but you know, they're not like super huge, clunky gloves or anything. I'm gonna skid on the road.
Oh. Come on. I think the brakes are too stiff. Oh, barely. I can do better. Come on. Dang it. Oh, I'll call it good. Come on. Ooh. Sounds like an elk call. Yeah.
I have a ramp in my garage. I think I'm gonna try. This will be better because it's dry in here. Jump off this ramp. You just keep going only a little bit until you hit the car. So that's a bummer. All right, I'm gonna do 180 off this. Oh, dang. Oh, I had that. There we go. That was easy. Try a 360. That might be interesting. Oh, man. Oh. Ouch. Oh, I'm just too tired. I'm too tired to even care. I'll try that a different day. It is definitely not nice out. You know, I wouldn't say it's all sunshine and rainbows, but it's still decent. You know, you can sort of scooter, kind of, to an extent. Ooh. It is hard holding a camera while you scooter, especially when you don't have a GoPro. But you make it work, you know? I need a redemption on that feeble stall. I wiped out and died. So I'm gonna try that. And oh my word, I'm gonna pass out. Oh. Alright. Oh, this doesn't have any lock to it. Alright, I'll count it. That's okay. That will be... Bro! Yeah, I'm not doing that anymore. Oh, that's scary, bro. No. That's freaky. Not doing that. No way. Wow, that is slippery, bro. That's insane. Overall, this scooter is super nice. Has really good deck. The scooter I had before this, it was like really boxed, kinda, and it wasn't super flat, so it's hard to grind. But this is perfect for grinds. Super tough. It's really nice. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, if you want to help me, you can subscribe, because that would be very nice. I would be happy. So, hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next one. Now I'm going to take off my mud smeared clothes and put that in the dryer. Hmm.